Today is pure practice and Olymp Trade screencast, crypto composite, index, 1 minute time frame. Yes, and the trade closes in a profit of $. Trade is coming to the close and again it closes our way with $. Waiting. Yes, trade closes in profit. Total balance plus $. Hey, I'm Ravi Kumar. You know what I learned back in my office days in Bangalore? When you rush, you start making mistakes faster. The market works the same way. It doesn't punish you for not knowing enough. It punishes you for being impatient. Patience and calm mind are what give you the edge, even on the 1 minute chart. Today is pure practice and Olymp Trade screencast, crypto composite, index, 1 minute time frame. I will show a series of trades where decisions are made using a simple principle, level plus candle reaction, and when you stop getting twitchy, the market becomes way easier to read. If you like this format, practical, clean and to point, subscribe, hit like and check my Telegram, link in the description. I share entry checklist and journal template to make trading calmer and more consistent. Let's go to the screen. Alright, we are on the Olymp Trade platform. Chart type is Candlestick. On the 1 minute chart, candles are the best way to see the real dynamics, where prices get bought and where it gets hit by the selling, where momentum is strong and where it breaks. I open the asset list and select Crypto Composite Index. We see an 85% payout, a workable return that lets you run a series without that feeling of I'm barely breaking even when I'm bright. I set the time frame to 1 minute. The 1 minute chart demands clarity. Entries must be based on facts, not emotions. So let's start. Trade number 1. First trade, I will start with $40. I enter up. Why up? I focus on the key point. Price is bouncing off a strong support level and the most important part is the candle confirmation. The candle closes with a solid body, no weakness, no sharp dip down. That's a sign buyers are in control at this level. So this logic is simple. Support held, sellers couldn't push lower. Buyers respond with a strong candle, meaning the odds of continuation up are higher than the odds of further drop. Waiting. Yes, and the trade closes in a profit of $34. We got it and move on. So let's start trade number 2. Second trade, I increased to $60 and now I enter down. Price reaches a resistance zone and I see the first sign the move up is slowing. Upper wick start appearing. Candle bodies begin shrinking. It's like the market is saying, I tried to go higher but I'm getting met. Upper wicks at resistance, how sellers reacting, and smaller bodies show buyers losing momentum. In spots like this, you often get a pullback or reversal. That's why I take a down entry with $60. Trade is coming to the close, and again it closes our way with $51. Important, 2 wins in a row is not a reason to speed up and turn into gambling. I stay up with logic, level plus candle reactions only. Trade number 3. Third trade, I increased to $90 and enter down again. Same idea, the market is showing weakening upside pressure in the top area. So it makes more sense to be on the side of pullback, not to the chase move. Waiting. Yes, trade closes in profit, plus $76.5. 3 trades, 3 wins, still no hype. The most dangerous moment for a trader is when you start thinking, now I can't be wrong. The market loves punishing that feeling. Let's start trade number 4. Now I increase to $150 and enter down again, this time with a clear explanation of what I'm seeing. Price reaches a local high and the candles are showing a familiar picture. The body gets smaller, the upper wick appears. There are early signs of a potential pullback. Buyers try to push higher, but seeing hits them at the top and price doesn't hold. At a local high, this matters even more, because that's where profit taking and reversal moves often begin. So I enter down with $150. The trade runs, the market confirms the idea, the move develops in our direction, and it closes in profit plus $127.5. Series result, total balance plus $629. The key point, there is no slack indicator and no super prediction here. It's calm logic, support, look for buy strength confirmation, resistance, look for signs momentum is weakening, and it works especially well when you are not rushing and not clicking just to click. Remember this: when your mind is calm, the market becomes cleverer. When you have discipline, you build stability. And when you have stability, confidence follows. Don't rush, don't panic, be precise, and results will find you over time if you stick to the process. If you want, I will drop my shorts, level plus candle reaction checklist for the 1 minute chart in Telegram along with my trade journal template. Link in the description. Subscribe, hit like, and I will see you in the next Olymp Trade breakdown.